To inspect the wheel and brake system and perform a tire rotation on your RZR Pro S or Pro XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Next, take a close look at each tire. Inspect for damage that may compromise the integrity of the tire. Verify there is sufficient tread depth. Tires should be replaced once they reach 1/8 inch or 3 mm of tread depth. Next, inspect the tire pressure and verify it is set to specification. Reference the owner's manual or tire pressure label on your vehicle for the correct specification. Lastly, take a close look at how the tires are wearing. If there is irregular wear, it may be time for a rotation. Next, remove the wheels from the vehicle. Begin by loosening the lug nuts while the vehicle is on the ground, but do not remove at this time. Then, safely elevate the vehicle. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Once safely elevated, remove the lug nuts and set aside. Then, remove the wheels and set aside. Next, inspect the fluid level and condition in the master cylinder located in the driver's side front wheel well. Ensure the levels between the upper max and lower min level lines. If it is low, clean around the cap and add brake fluid as necessary from a new and unopened bottle. Apply the brake forcefully for a few seconds and check for fluid leakage around the fittings. Do not allow brake fluid to contact painted surfaces, or paint damage may occur. Next, check the brake system for fluid leaks. Then, check the brake pedal for excessive travel or a spongy feel. Check the friction pads for wear, damage, and looseness. Check the brake discs for signs of cracks, excessive corrosion, warping, or other damage. Clean any grease using an approved brake cleaner or alcohol. Next, take a look at the brake pads. Always allow the brakes to cool completely before inspecting to prevent the risk of burns. Check the brake pad thickness using a suitable tool. Be sure to inspect the brake disc spline and pad wear surface for excessive wear. Replace any pads that are worn beyond their minimum thickness. If inspection reveals any concerns, do not attempt to drive the vehicle. See your authorized Polaris service center. Once the brake system inspection has been completed, the tires can be rotated and reinstalled. A tire rotation is recommended every 500 miles or 805 kilometers. Perform the tire rotation on the vehicle as shown. Rotate the wheels as needed based on wheel configuration. Then, place the wheel on the hub with the valve stem toward the outside, and if applicable, point the rotation arrows pointing toward forward rotation. Next, attach the lug nuts and finger tighten. Once installed, safely lower the vehicle until the tires begin to touch the ground. This will help keep the wheels in place when torquing. Once lowered, torque the lug nuts to specification in a crisscross pattern. Finally, lower the vehicle completely. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polaris.com.